A few days ago, I created a WordPress plugin that creates AI home decor content very fast. You can do it in bulk and it's awesome. But you know what? It actually became even better. So let me show you that small tweak that basically gives you a lot more opportunities. But if you haven't seen my previous video about that plugin, here's a quick recap. It's available only for members of my community called Pin Lions. If you want to join the community, the link is in the description. The plugin uses ChatGPT 5 to write content and Seedream free to create images, and we are using Replicate API. It's very easy to use and it generates home decor content in bulk. It automatically adds all of the images, the featured image, plus all of the in-text images. Of course, it allows you to scale your home decor site very quickly because honestly, you can do it in a matter of half an hour, 1 hour. You can literally create dozens of different articles. Plus, it's cheap because each image costs only 3 cents. So if you have a listicle with 10 images, you will pay around 35 cents for the API. So depending on how many articles you actually want to create, your costs are going to be different. So if you want to create 50 articles, that's fine. But if you want to scale your site and create like 1,000 different articles, then obviously your costs are going to be a little bit bigger. So let's go to one of my new niche sites. Let me show you a few examples of articles that were created with this plugin. And bear in mind that everything that you are going to see was basically created with a single click. I didn't do anything. I just entered the title. So here we have 7 coastal color combinations that make every room feel like vacation. It's a great article. It's the nautical and maritime home decor. All of the images look very realistic. The text is good. Basically, I just love that article. Honestly, it's good quality. All that's left to do here is to simply add some affiliate links to maybe Amazon Associates or something different. But considering the fact that it was created with a single click, that's just awesome. Another example, 8 maritime bedroom ideas that feel like a chic seaside escape. Very nice featured image. A lot of different images of bedrooms with nautical and seaside beach house vibe. Looks very realistic and I just love that quality. It's possible that sometimes you will notice something that looks a bit weird. Maybe you don't like that image or something. If you don't like it, well, then you will have to change it manually. It's generated by AI, so it can't be perfect all the time, but overall it can help you scale content very quickly. Another example, 8 dark navy decor accents for a sophisticated look you will brag about. The statement sofa that does all the talking looks very nice, very realistic. Let's go down. Navy drapes looks very realistic. Pillows and throws. Looks like a real picture. But I was supposed to talk about the updates. So if you go to settings, now in the settings you can choose the article type. You can select between design ideas and styling tips, and it's gonna impact what kind of content you are going to generate. To show you the differences between these two article types, I generated 2 articles about 5 classy bedroom ideas. So basically, if you choose the styling tips, it's gonna be more like a guide on how to style the classy bedroom. So for example, you have to curate a calm color story, you have to layer textures. So it's not like a list of ideas, it's more like a lot of knowledge and a lot of styling tips. In my opinion, this kind of content works very well on Pinterest because it's high quality, it's valuable, it's different, and it's simply not just another listicle. At the same time, I know that some people actually want more specific room designs. So if someone's looking for classy bedroom ideas, they want different color versions, different styles. They don't want styling tips. So that's why I actually added this option called design ideas, and if we generate classy bedroom ideas as a listicle, well, it's going to generate a completely different article. So this is the article generated with the second option, 5 classy bedroom ideas that feel looks without trying, and we've got modern Parisian black and cream, which is a very nice bedroom idea. We've got California coastal sand and sky. We've got moody charcoal library looks, very sophisticated. We've got Japandi Zen wood and linen, which looks very calm. And we've got Art Deco glam with a modern twist, which looks pretty luxury in my opinion. So instead of styling tips, we have different ideas. So depending on what kind of content you want to create, well, you can simply choose it in the settings and take it from there. And for the record, if you haven't seen my previous video, I'm going to show you how it all works. You just go to add articles and then you add all of the titles here. So for example, it can be 10 boho living room ideas, 15 modern kitchen decor tips, 8 coastal bedroom ideas. Basically one title per line. You can add as many titles as you want. Once you have your list of titles, you click add to queue button and it's going to add all of these articles to our list of articles. So if we go to article queue, we are going to see all of the added titles, and as you can see, all of them are pending. And to generate these articles, we simply have to click create all articles, and it's simply going to generate all of them at once. Depending on how many articles you actually want to generate, it's going to take some time, but it's usually 1 or 2 minutes per article. So you just have to click create all articles and just wait until everything is finished. And just like that, you can generate a lot of new content for your site. Then you can start creating pins, uploading pins, and with time you can build the traffic that actually starts making money. This is what I do across a few different niches on Pinterest, and this is what I teach inside of my private community called Pin Lions. The community is growing every week, and right now we have more than 90 members. Everyone is doing the same thing, everyone is growing on Pinterest, and some people are getting fantastic results already. Apart from getting access to all of my tools, strategies and workflows and prompts, you can also connect with a lot of creators. As you can see on that map, we have people from all around the world, from Africa, from Asia, from Europe, South America, United States, Canada, so many different countries. So there is a chance that someone from your country is already inside of the Pin Lions community, and two of you can connect and chat about Pinterest in your own language. If it sounds interesting, you know what to do. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully this quick update related to home decor niche was helpful. If it was, consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next one. See you next time.